Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Vietnam. This beautiful Southeast Asian country is a treasure trove of rich culture and stunning landscapes that captivate every traveler. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene beaches of Danang, Vietnam offers a unique blend of history, tradition, and natural beauty. Picture vibrant markets filled with the aroma of street food, ancient temples that tell stories of the past, and breathtaking rice terraces that stretch as far as the eye can see. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through both the well-known hotspots and the hidden gems that make Vietnam a must-visit destination. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to relax, Vietnam has something for everyone. Get ready to uncover the charm of places like Ha Long Bay, with its emerald waters and limestone islands, and the ancient town of Hoi An, where lanterns light up the night sky. Join us as we dive into the wonders of Vietnam and inspire your next travel adventure. Welcome to Hanoi, the vibrant capital city that serves as the heart of Vietnam. Steeped in rich history and culture, Hanoi is a fascinating blend of old and new, where ancient temples coexist with bustling markets and modern cafes. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is Hoan Kiem Lake, a serene oasis in the midst of the urban hustle, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a moment of reflection. Just a stone's throw away lies the Old Quarter, a maze of narrow streets filled with charming shops, street vendors, and a lively atmosphere that transports you back in time. As you wander through the city, you'll notice the unique architecture that reflects its colonial past, with elegant French buildings standing alongside traditional Vietnamese structures. This fusion creates a captivating backdrop for your exploration. No visit to Hanoi would be complete without indulging in its renowned local cuisine. Savor the flavors of pho, a fragrant noodle soup, and bun cha, a delicious grilled pork dish served with rice noodles. Each bite tells a story, making Hanoi not just a destination but an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Welcome to Ha Long Bay, a breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the stunning beauty of Vietnam's natural landscape. This iconic destination is famous for its dramatic limestone karsts that rise majestically from the emerald waters, creating a picturesque seascape that feels almost otherworldly. As you cruise through the bay, you'll be mesmerized by the sheer scale and beauty of these towering formations, each with its own unique shape and story. There are countless activities to enjoy in Ha Long Bay, from relaxing boat tours that allow you to soak in the scenery, to exhilarating kayaking adventures that let you explore hidden lagoons and secluded beaches. Don't miss the chance to venture into the enchanting caves where stalactites and stalagmites create a magical atmosphere. As we marvel at this natural wonder, it's essential to emphasize the importance of preserving Ha Long Bay for future generations. Sustainable tourism practices are crucial to maintaining its beauty and ecological balance. By respecting the environment and supporting local conservation efforts, we can ensure that Ha Long Bay remains a breathtaking destination for years to come. Welcome to Hoi An, a charming ancient town that captures the essence of Vietnam's rich history and cultural diversity. Known for its well-preserved architecture, Hoi An is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports visitors back in time with its narrow streets, traditional wooden houses, and vibrant colors. One of the highlights of this enchanting town is the monthly Lantern Festival, where the streets come alive with glowing lanterns, creating a magical atmosphere that enchants both locals and travelers alike. As you stroll through Hoi An, you'll notice the unique blend of cultural influences reflected in its architecture, from Chinese temples to Japanese bridges, showcasing the town's historical significance as a trading port. This fusion of styles tells a story of the many cultures that have shaped Hoi An over the centuries. No visit to Hoi An would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Be sure to try khao lao, a delicious noodle dish that embodies the flavors of the region, and savor the fresh seafood available at local markets. Hoi An is not just a destination, it's an experience that delights the senses and leaves a lasting impression. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, a dynamic metropolis that pulses with energy and excitement. This vibrant city is a fascinating blend of history and modernity, offering visitors a wealth of attractions to explore. One must-visit site is the War Remnants Museum, where powerful exhibits provide insight into Vietnam's tumultuous past and the impact of the Vietnam War. Just a short distance away, Ben Thon Market buzzes with activity, showcasing local handicrafts, textiles, and an array of delicious street food. As the sun sets, Ho Chi Minh City transforms into a nightlife hotspot, with rooftop bars, lively clubs, and bustling street food stalls inviting you to experience its vibrant atmosphere. The street food scene is a culinary adventure in itself, where you can savor iconic dishes like banh mi and pho, all while mingling with locals and fellow travelers. Amidst the modern skyline, historical landmarks like the Notre Dame Cathedral stand as a testament to the city's colonial past, offering a glimpse into its architectural heritage. Ho Chi Minh City is a place where every corner tells a story, making it an unforgettable destination for any traveler. Welcome to Phong Nha, Ki Bang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that promises adventure and stunning landscapes at every turn. This remarkable park is home to some of the most impressive caves in the world, including Sun Dung, the largest cave on the planet. With its vast chambers and unique ecosystems, Sun Dung offers an unparalleled experience for explorers and nature enthusiasts alike. Adventure seekers will find plenty to do in this breathtaking park. Trekking through lush jungles, ziplining over pristine rivers, and exploring hidden caves are just a few of the thrilling activities available. Each adventure reveals the park's stunning natural beauty, from towering limestone cliffs to serene underground rivers. Beyond its awe-inspiring landscapes, Phong Nha, Ki Bang, is also a biodiversity hotspot, housing a variety of flora and fauna, some of which are endemic to the region. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this unique environment, ensuring that future generations can enjoy its wonders. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, Phong Nha, Ki Bang National Park is a destination where adventure truly awaits. Welcome to the Mekong Delta, a captivating region known for its lush landscapes and intricate waterways. This vibrant ecosystem is shaped by the mighty Mekong River, which plays a crucial role in the lives and culture of the local communities. The river not only provides essential resources for fishing and agriculture, but also serves as a vital transportation route, connecting villages and markets throughout the delta. Exploring the Mekong Delta is an adventure in itself, with activities like boat tours offering a unique perspective of this enchanting landscape. Glide through winding canals, where you can witness daily life unfold along the riverbanks. Don't miss the chance to visit the bustling floating markets, where vendors sell fresh produce and local delicacies from their boats, creating a lively and colorful atmosphere. The Mekong Delta is also home to diverse wildlife and rich agricultural practices. From rice paddies to fruit orchards, the region thrives on its fertile land, producing some of Vietnam's most beloved crops. With its stunning scenery and vibrant culture, the Mekong Delta is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the heart and soul of Vietnam. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Vietnam, let's recap the highlights that make this country a must-see destination. We began in Hanoi, where the rich history and vibrant street life invite exploration. Then, we marveled at the breathtaking beauty of Ha Long Bay, with its stunning limestone karsts and adventure opportunities. Hoi An captivated us with its timeless charm and culinary delights, while Ho Chi Minh City showcased a dynamic blend of culture and modernity. Finally, we ventured into the natural wonders of Phong Nha, Ki Bang National Park, and the unique ecosystem of the Mekong Delta. Each destination offers a unique glimpse into Vietnam's diverse culture and natural beauty, making it a treasure trove for travelers. Whether you're seeking adventure, history, or culinary experiences, Vietnam has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content that will inspire your next adventure. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you exploring Vietnam soon.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.